No, there's a big hole in the ground. This is the big hole in the ground, but it's for good reason.
I decided that a porch and a new hallway was definitely the way to go. And boy did we do well. We've managed to get all the timber in and all the main fixings for the main roof. So that's excellent. This time it's on to footings. Now footings, well, that's a whole nother ball game.
This is going to be a big wall with glass from ceiling to floor. It needs to sit on something, and that's why we're doing a footing. The door will be here and it will open like this. So this bit will just be a small overhang with a light fitting, and this becomes the hallway. The hallway will come through here in to the new kitchen. But before we do any of that, this hole needs to go down a bit further.
Well, here's what it's taken to get us to this point. But it all went to plan. And what do? We give it a go. Well, the idea was to break up the concrete and not my back, because boy was this tough to get up. But it's a must. But now it's gone, we can crack on. Well, now that's done, it's on with the porch roof. Well, finally, here we are onto the porch roof. Exciting stuff, because things really take a change from this point on. So all we needed was a good, strong, solid square. That was it really. Double it up around the edges, make sure everything's completely dead, flat and straight as much as we possibly can. And then afterwards we'll put angled furrings on the top that will direct the water away. We'll get to that, but for now we'll make it as strong as we can. Okay, that'll be us for now. You know what to do? Give it a go.
Who can do anything they put their mind to? You can.